hit that next target. This is an update and technical analysis on IRS or IRSA, IRSA, a company of the Argentinian real estate sector, the darling of the ape village here off the 240-minute interval. I had alerted a breakdown sell signal in my previous video indicating a much more heightened level of an extreme rush for the exits. And speaking from a technical analysis perspective, the construction of generating parabolic formation price action usually, not always, can end in a disaster. Whereas you have this primary parabolic state trend line, multiple reactionary lows to help validate that, where you have just a crowded trade to the upside and only seems to be going up, coinciding with a clean generated head and shoulder formation, coinciding with the snap of its neckline, back tested on multiple occasions and never really looked back. But here's your shoulder, here's your head, here's your right shoulder. We had a bit more consolidation, but I had also mentioned in that previous video, the 236 fibs retracement trading at 627 spot price was a pretty big key level to watch. Big shorting up on the 236 fibs, coinciding with the 240-50 moving average, where you had a gap support as well. So a lot of incurring damage would happen, especially with a pretty nice, a sizable moving average convergence crossover off the gaping close 9 there. So just a confluence of different mechanisms and momentum indicator damage that was occurring during that huge uptrend, and this was the end result here. Speaking from a 651 spot price, the entire trade was good for a 20.68% crash, and we're at a key inflection point now, whereas the now 240-200 moving average is hovering down below the 50% fibs retracement. Pretty big key level there at that 533 price support, where bull traders and or long traders need to step in right now, right this minute, on oversold conditions already, and there needs to be a pivotal point. Maybe if we snap and undercut those previous reaction lows, then you'll probably more than likely get a move down to the 618 fibs retracement, trading at spot price 491, and then ultimately, if that gets taken out, if not coinciding with that primary uptrend line here off the July reactionary lows of 2022, so going way back there, but just a key pivotal reflection points to watch. Whereas you opened up your position here, collected a little profit there, and now you're collecting a little profit here right at that third target that I hit. And you know, I would only expect some sort of reaction. Now, if we take that primary uptrend line out, I would only issue that as a potential secondary sell signal, and I would only suspect some much larger, bigger waves of selling to occur after that, where a lot of the technical traders will start to step in, and we'll see some key functioning levels being tested.